Good
Hello, good
evening.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good
Good
evening.
evening,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay.
How are
Very
you,
good
ma'am? How are
evening.
you doing?
I am busy as bee, but sweet as honey, I would say. So it
Um,
was a busy day, packed day, but now I am used to it and I love being busy. So that's how my day is going on. And
because
I hope.
we all are homemakers, na, ma'am. So we all are busy, but we
Hmm.
make it for us.
Yes, we have that superpower. We can be busy and like a bee, and we can be sweet as honey at the same
Yes,
Ma'am,
we
time.
can
after
be superhumans,
after
ma'am.
joining this,
Super.
after joining your WhatsApp group, I have become more active.
Oh, lovely. That's wonderful. Wonderful.
I usually slept in the afternoon, but I have skipped. I
Oh,
practice.
okay. Today we are going to do something different. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to tell me three sentences. Okay, three sentences in one go in present continuous tense. I'll take the names, then only you will unmute yourself. Okay. Three sentences in one go of present continuous tense. So, Rena, three
Okay, ma'am.
sentences in present continuous tense.
Okay, so I'm taking Neha ma'am's Zoom session today,
Nice.
and I'm going to bake a cake, a pineapple cake for my children, for my son, and
Uh,
I'm listening music.
I'm listening to music. See, when we use I am going to, actually we use it for future. Okay, banane ja
Or
rahi hu. So you will cook. So
okay,
simply, I am baking cake. I am baking a
I'm
cake for my
baking
son.
it.
Hmm.
Okay.
Great, great. Okay. So yes, Neha.
My son is sleeping right now. My
Right.
father-in-law watching TV, and I am talking to my friend.
Very good. My father-in-law is watching TV. Right. So, Kumudini, be ready. Meanwhile, let me explain to Pramila ji. Pramila ji, we are playing a game. You have to frame three sentences in present continuous tense. Okay, Smita and Pramila ji, you both have to frame three sentences in present continuous tense. I'll be taking your name, then you have to come up with your sentences. Okay, yes, Kumudini.
Now I am taking session from you,
Mm-hmm.
and um, I am watching a English movie now,
Okay.
and I am reading. Now I am reading a movie. No, sorry. Now
Book.
I am reading a book that is written by Sudha Murthy,
Oh,
A Golden Wing.
great. Well done. Yes, Anuradha.
Ma'am, the first sentence is the students are playing in the ground.
Hmm.
Second one, my mother is cooking the food. The third, all the shopkeepers are selling the saris in reasonable price.
Well done. Great. Yes,
Thank you.
Smita. Smita, you have to frame three
Hello.
sentences in present continuous. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm learning English to you right now,
Okay.
and I'm doing my some house chores,
Okay.
and I'm also like I can't.
Children are playing, birds are flying. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, and I'm
yeah.
learning English online. These days, I'm learning English online. Okay. Well done, Smita. Great. Yes, Pramila ji, are you ready?
So I'm binge watching my favorite show and
Okay.
I'm wrapping up my assignments and
Mm-hmm.
the children are playing outside.
Okay. Right.
I am enjoying my English journey. I am listening old songs and I'm
Mhm.
sitting to hit the tenses.
I am.
I am sitting to hit the tenses.
Okay. Nice. Right. So, Neha, if I say Ram go to school every day, is this a correct sentence? Ram go to
No, ma'am.
school. Yes. What
Ram
should
goes to school every day.
Ram
Ram
goes
goes to
to?
school every day.
Okay. Harsha, Neha said that Ram goes to school every day. Can you identify the tense here?
Yes, ma'am. Simple present
Simple
tense.
present. Okay, well
Yes,
done. Rena, Ram goes to school every day. I want you to change it into simple past.
Simple past. So Ram went to school every day.
Yesterday. Ram went to
Yes.
school yesterday. Okay, great. Anuradha, simple future. Ram went to school yesterday. Now you have to frame in simple future.
Ram will go to school
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Great, fine. Okay, nice. So, Pramila ji, let's say अभी मुझे हिंदी में बोलना पड़ेगा. मैंने आपको कॉल किया बट यू डिडंट आंसर माय कॉल. फिर आपने मुझे बैक कॉल किया और आपने बोला कि जब तुमने मुझे कॉल किया मैं खाना पका रही थी.
Yeah. So when you called me, I was cooking the food.
Exactly, well done. When you called me, I was cooking food. Kumudini, can you identify tenses here in this sentence? Can you identify the tenses? When you called me, I was cooking food.
Yes, ma'am. That was past continuous.
Yes, I was cooking food. That is past continuous. When you called me.
That time, that is, ma'am, simple past tense.
Great, great. Can you frame any other sentence using the same structure?
Okay. When my friend came to my home, that time I was busy in my writing skill.
Okay. When my friend visited my home, I was writing an application.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. स्मिता, मैं मार्केट गई थी, मतलब मैं सब्जी खरीद रही थी. Okay?
When my friends
Visited my
visited me,
yes.
visited my home, I was buying vegetables.
Great. When my friends visited me, I was buying vegetables. Okay.
Vegetables.
Anuradha, one sentence with the same structure.
When, ma'am, the same sentence I have to make? In the
You can, no, any
yes,
other.
past continuous?
Yes, past and
Past
past continuous.
Okay, past and past continuous. Yesterday I met my friend. He was eating puchkas.
Great. Okay. Yes, Rena, same structure.
When my husband came to home, I was taking the shower. I
Okay.
was
Right.
bathing.
Taking a shower. Okay. Yes, Harsha, same structure.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday I went to the market. There were so much crowd.
Okay. Yesterday I went to the market and people were buying groceries.
People were rushing here and there.
Here and there. Right. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Supriya, same structure.
Ma'am, I bought a book from my friend.
I
bought a book from my friend.
Simple past and past continuous.
Simple past.
And past continuous.
In simple past, I could say I bought a book from my friend.
Abhi continuous, just add one continuous sentence. She
And
was.
in simple, I bought a book from my friend and she was doing her work.
Great. जब तुमने मुझे फोन किया मैं बर्तन धो रही थी. Pramila ji.
Yeah. When you called me, I was doing the dishes.
Okay, great. They finish the project by tomorrow. They finish the project by tomorrow. So I have they finish the project by tomorrow. I have given you the structure. Okay, now by tomorrow. So they finish, it doesn't make any sense because I'm saying by tomorrow. So how we need to frame it?
They will finish, ma'am. They will finish the project by tomorrow.
Yes, they will finish the project by tomorrow. Okay. And which tense is this, Neha? They will finish the project by tomorrow. Which tense is this?
Future indefinite.
Smita, please mute yourself, your mic. Yes, Neha? They will finish the
Future
project.
indefinite, ma'am.
हाँ.
Future indefinite.
ओके फाइन. ओके लेट्स से मेरी एक फ्रेंड मुझे बोलती है चाय पियोगी, तो मैंने बोला मैं तो पी चुकी हूँ, मैंने चाय पहले ही पी ली है. ओके, हाउ वुड बी ट्रांसलेट इट इन इंग्लिश? मैंने चाय पहले
I
ही
have taken. I have drunken tea already. I have taken tea already.
I have already taken tea. I have
Taken tea.
already taken tea. Okay.
Present perfect. Present
Yes.
perfect.
I was about to ask this question. So yes, Kumudini, this is present perfect. Okay. So now each of you have to make one sentence using the same structure. Present perfect. Present perfect. Okay. Present perfect. I guess
I have finished. Yeah, I have finished my project.
I have already finished my project. Okay. Great.
Already finished mine.
Yes. Who's next?
I have already started.
Yes, ma'am.
Learning
I have,
English?
yeah, I have already started learning English.
Great. Yes, Rena.
I have already brought the umbrella because nowadays it's raining.
Right. Okay. Yes. Who's next? Anuradha.
Yes, ma'am. All the students have completed the book exercise.
Great. Well done. Are you a teacher? You sound like a teacher, Anuradha.
Oh, thank
Yes, I guess I can see your future. Our future
Oh,
teacher, Anuradha Pandey, right? Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. So, yes, Mita. Unmute your mic first. Smita, unmute your mic.
I have finished my all house chores.
Okay. Harsha.
Yes, ma'am. I have read a book today that was amazing.
I have read a book. That's it. I have read a book. I have read that very book you were talking about. Okay, in this way. If you want to say, Aj, I read a book today, and
Yes.
it was all
Yes,
about
ma'am. Yes.
it was all about motivation or challenges, sort of. Okay, so we can say that. Let's say I told you that Harsha, you know what? These days I am reading Who Will Cry When You Die. So you will be like, oh, I have already read that book. Yeah? In this.
Yes.
Okay, great. Who's left? Supriya. Unmute your mic.
Ma'am, they have already eaten the lunch.
They have already eaten their lunch. Yes, Neha.
I have already taught my son. Now he's playing outside with his friends.
Okay, great. Kumudini, I guess, are you done with your turn? Okay. So, yes, Kumudini, unmute yourself. I have a question for you. If I say that, you know what? It is raining here since morning. It is raining here since morning. Do you
Yes,
think
ma'am.
this sentence is correct?
No, ma'am. It has been raining here since morning.
Exactly. Well done. Well done. So it is raining. It means I'm talking about this very moment. Okay. So it's raining is simple present continuous, and it has been raining since morning, present perfect continuous. Okay. Now you have to
Yes,
frame two sentences. One is in one is in present continuous and one is in present perfect continuous.
Okay. One is present continuous.
Yes.
Present continuous.
And present
Ma'am,
perfect.
present
continuous.
continuous or present perfect
Perfect.
continuous?
Both. I need two sentences with these structures. One is in present continuous and the other one is in present perfect continuous. Because many people make mistakes. They
Yes, ma'am.
confuse
Okay.
between.
Now I am teaching climate, the lesson of 10th standard geography.
Okay.
Another is the
Present perfect
another course,
continuous.
present perfect. Okay.
Present
Present
perfect continuous.
Okay. I have been teaching. I have been teaching for 10 years.
Great. Lovely. Yes. Who's
Okay.
ready? Next.
Yeah,
Hmm.
I am having my lunch.
Okay.
Next one is I have been listening songs since morning.
I have been listening to my favorite songs since morning. Great.
Morning.
Well done. Well done. Yes, Harsha.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to the market
Hmm.
and children have been playing in the garden since morning.
Great. Yes. Rena.
I'm reading a novel,
Hmm.
and my husband has been business since 10 years.
For 10 years.
For 10 years.
Okay. When we talk about a period of time, then we use for, and when it is a point of time, then we use since. Okay. Neha.
Ma'am, I am having my English speaking session right now,
Hmm.
and I have been working since morning. Now I have to call it a day.
Okay. Nice. Yes, Mita.
I'm watching a movie.
Mm-hmm.
My son has been watching the mobile phone since 1 hour. For
For
one
One
hour.
hour.
For 1 hour.
For
Hmm.
For
Okay.
1 hour.
Okay.
My
Anurag.
son has been watching mobile phone for 1 hour.
One. Yes. Great.
Okay.
Yes, Anuradha.
Ma'am, I would like to ask one question.
Just let me complete the circle. Okay. Then you can ask. Yes, Anuradha.
Yes, ma'am. The first sentence, I am studying the current affairs. Number two, I have been studying the current affairs for 2 hours.
Great. Well done. Yes, Supriya.
She is cooking food and the student have been studying for the exam since tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Since last night, since yesterday, or right? Okay. Yes. Nice. It was a great, nice twist. Okay. So, oh my God, time just, I mean, it flies when we enjoy something, right? So we have only 10 minutes to continue with the session. Okay. Yes, Neha, what do you want to ask? I have one more activity session. Mhm.
Ma'am, ma'am said that she is enjoying his English journey. This sentence should be in present continuous or present perfect continuous. That I have been enjoying my English journey.
She's enjoying her English journey. Maybe she's talking about this very moment, the kind of scenario we are going through, right? Okay. This is also a part of her journey. Now she's taking this session. So maybe she's enjoying this very session. So that is it. Okay. I considered it that way, that she is enjoying her journey. We can talk
But
about.
if I
Mhm.
yes,
Okay, let's say I have been in teaching for 10 years, but I can say I am enjoying my teaching. Okay,
Yeah.
got it? Okay, so well done, girls. I just love because you all did a splendid job. That's amazing. You have that clarity of basic concepts, and you don't know how happy I am today. Because you know what? This should be the clarity. I mean, when it comes to learning this language or speaking this language, I guess if our base is clear, okay, then only we can construct sentences correctly. So well done. I'm so happy. It was just a kind of activity, but also I wanted to check your knowledge in terms of tenses, and you just blew my mind. Before I wrap this session up, let's just do one activity. If I ask you that I am confused whether to go for a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. So can you tell me any other expression to say, to express I am confused? I am confused. If you know any other
I am perplexed.
Okay, perplexed. Okay, I am confused means अभी मैं दुविधा में हूँ कि चाय लूँ या कॉफी लूँ. Perplexed, okay, I'll consider that. Any other expression?
Ma'am, we can
There's
use
a,
kiosk.
there's a dilemma in my mind that
dilemma.
should I go with the coffee or tea?
Okay, yes. Dilemma is exactly that formal word for duvidha. Great, great. Yes, Anuradha.
We can use, ma'am, kiosk.
I mean, it is not that much serious. It's only about coffee
Yes.
and tea, okay? So,
Okay.
and yes, chaos will be something like very hectic, chaotic, at sixes and sevens, kind of. Okay? So, anything, anyone?
Ma'am, can we use I am puzzled
Yes,
whether
we
to
can.
choose
We
coffee
can.
or tea?
I am puzzled. I am confused. I am perplexed. I am in a fix. I'm in a fix. Okay. I am on the fence. I am on the fence. No, on the fence होता है यहाँ पे इधर जाऊं उधर जाऊं. Okay. In a fix, on the fence, or perplexed, baffled, or puzzled, right? So, but I am quite sure that you people are going to rock in terms of your speaking skills. And truly, truly, I am proud of you all. Thank you so much for joining me
Thank you.
today. Thank you so much for
Thank you,
making my
ma'am.
evening
It's our
more
pleasure,
special.
ma'am. It's
Thank
Thank
completely
you,
our
ma'am.
pleasure, ma'am.
I truly
Thank you for
enjoyed this
making
session.
us here.
Okay,
So
now you
this
enjoy
is
your
all.
evening. Mm-hmm.
This is all, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
It's like it just started.
Actually, we have only 5 minutes left. The meeting will end. Okay. But yes,
Automatic.
I mentioned earlier also that time just flew away. So thank you so much. Again, now you people enjoy your evening. I'll see you very soon. Okay. In our
Ma'am,
WhatsApp groups.
you,
next
ma'am.
time, next time, please conduct idiom session. Idiom session next
Definitely.
time, ma'am.
Definitely. Definitely. Then